Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. This immediately takes you to the security controls. Enter your current passcode when prompted so the phone verifies you. This step prevents accidental lockouts. If asked, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID credentials to proceed. Once done, you'll see the option to change passcode. Tap it to start the password update process and prepare to enter a new, memorable code. Now you choose Change Passcode and re-enter your current code to authenticate. This protects your settings. Next, select a passcode type. Standard 6-digit is convenient, custom numeric adds length, and custom alphanumeric lets you use a passphrase for much stronger security. Type the new passcode slowly and deliberately, then confirm it by entering it again. The system compares both entries to avoid typos. Make sure the code is something you can remember or store securely in a password manager. Finish by locking the device and testing the new passcode to confirm it unlocks normally. This immediate check prevents surprises later. Consider re-enabling Face ID or Touch ID so you can unlock quickly while the passcode remains the required fallback. If anything goes wrong and you cannot remember the passcode, use Apple ID Account Recovery, Find My iPhone recovery options, or contact Apple support. These are the recommended paths to regain access without data loss when standard steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.